Well, it's only FPV Friday there, Pilgrim.
So first of all, I just want to thank Robert for sending in that amazing clip there for FPV Friday. Now, Robert comes all the way from Texas, and if you want to support his channel, please do, which is West Texas Drone In. Please check it out. But if you want to put in a video clip for the my intros, please do. As long as it's got FPV Friday in it, I'm not too bothered. Now, I obviously have a problem saying FPV Friday because of that missing tooth. So please support the channel. So anyway, after all that, oh yeah, just in case you want to know where to send it to, if you check out my email, which is under Shaun the Drone, and you'll see where it says more, if you click on that, up will come my email address. As long as you're not a robot, you're in. So this video is interesting because, unfortunately, as you can see, I've got it, but I did crash it. And it just shows you how easy you can crash it. So anyway, enjoy. So, you know when you get those times when you think, I don't think I should have done that. Well, I did. And I knew I shouldn't have done it because I tried it with the Avata 360. Anyway, I've crashed it. I'm not sure about what's happened to the lens. It is windy every now and again, and that's all it takes with the what I call the Avata drones. It only takes a bit of a draft and it'll knock it off course. I've got a horrible feeling this might be a bigger problem than I thought. Drink, guys. It must be about, I don't know, 35, so probably over the 40s here. So we're probably talking, I don't know, 90s in US, is it? Fahrenheit? I don't know what it call it. Anyway, in today's test, because it's FPV Friday, I thought what I'd try out today, because I haven't flown a Neo 2 for ages. If you watch the end of these videos, you see the Sooner song. And in part of that Sooner song, it's where I fly through the doorways and windows. I don't go too far. One, it was a crappy day. And two, I think the wind was quite strong that day. Anyway, I thought, come out today. So, just let you give you some information first. So, I've got my Neo 2, I've got my Avata 2, and I've also got my Avata 360. And I'm using, obviously, my motion-free controller and the goggles. Now, with the Neo 2, it did the whole thing. You see it in a moment. Amazing. But I did notice on the last sort of building, it was breaking up. Avata 2, no problem, straight through. There was a couple of times where the wind did catch it. No problem with the signal. Amazing. And then something comes across you, and I'm thinking, it looked pretty good. With the 360, maybe that wasn't a good idea. Which you're going to see later on in this video. But anyway, as always, guys, hope you enjoy it. That's the main thing. And I'll speak to you near the end. So the summary, I thought it went pretty well. The Neo 2, no problem, went straight through the doorways and windows. I think when I got to the second from last building, it was just starting to break up, but it did it, and it came back, no problem. Obviously a lot smaller, a lot more niftier. Yeah, I enjoyed flying the Neo 2 again for a while. The Avata 2, same thing, flew through the doors and windows, had no problem with the signal at all. Every now and again there's a bit of a gust of wind and it would sort of take it off track and I have to sort of central myself to go through some of the windows, but fantastic. But as I was flying that, now every now and again we get these gusts here and I think I can hear a bloody wind coming across, but it wasn't. It was the headset, the goggles free, it was the fans I suppose. God, it was making a right racket. So when I brought that one back, I landed it, had a bit of a break, and then something come across on me and said, why not the Avata 360? Somebody on this shoulder said no, and somebody on this shoulder said yes. So I took the yes one and I flew it in there. Now for some reason, I had it on obstacle avoidance, and I had to, because what it was, I was going through a window and for some reason it just bounced back. So I knew I was in some, you know, I had to go in the settings, take it out, and what it was in bypass. So that was interesting. Anyway, I turned it off. Guys, what you got to remember, I'm right in thinking the next time I fly this, the obstacle avoidance will be off. But it will let you know at the bottom anyway. But as I was coming, that very last window, funny enough, I was just going through it and it looked fine. And then I don't think I crashed it. It just seemed to land on the ledge there. And obviously my main panic was, oh no, not the lenses. So, anyway, you saw in that video clip I've just shown you, yeah, it took a while to retrieve. I got it back. Now, one of the things I've got to emphasise, guys, is this head. I thought that it locks it, so you can't, it won't do that. But it doesn't lock it. As you can see, I can spin it around virtually. And I got it back here, and I just put it straight on the ground. And I know I'm not the only one, because I saw Andy do the same thing. And what it was, the lens was like that. Anyway, thankfully, it didn't scratch it. Now, I suppose if I had dragged it, yeah, that would have been a major problem. Now, at the moment, in Spain, for some reason, I can't get the lens replacement kits off DJI at the moment, but I've seen it in UK. I have seen other ones on Amazon, but they're not DJI. And I've always found if I buy copies, they're not as good. I might be wrong, unless there's a company out there that wants to send to me some lens replacement kits, because that would be fantastic, because then I could push the drone a little bit more. But because I can't get a lens replacement kit at the moment, that will be the last time I'll push it through like that. Anyway, the main thing, guys, is always fly. Anyway, as I was trying to get through there, make sure that you put this cover back on as soon as you pick up the drone, because if you don't, you know, you're gonna have a problem. And I've noticed you've got to make sure it clips in as well. Anyway, it's nice and safe now, so just bear that in mind, guys. I know it's not easy trying to, when you're doing stuff and you just put it down and you think, oh no, the lens. So, getting back to all that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Fly safe, and watch this guy. See you soon now. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the drone, see you sooner.
Sooner.
Just like Joy Life Andy, see you sooner. With the Roberts, see you sooner.
See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner.